welcome to Viggo's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making homemade chocolate covered strawberries. I'm going to introduce you to the items and ingredients. A spoon, a fork for decorating, 2 bowls, a tray with parchment paper, a box of strawberries, 6 ounces of semi-sweet baking chocolate, and 6 ounces of white baking chocolate. And 2 pots over there for warming the chocolate up so they melt. And now we're going to start breaking the rest of the chocolate. And then we're going to put them in the bowls. And then we're going to go over to the stove. And we'll use the strawberries for after. And that's when the delicious stuff happens. And now it's time to break the bars. Boy, are they hard to break. Time to dump that in the bowl. Now it's time for the chocolate, the brown chocolate. Now to dump it in. Time to follow me over to the stove, come on. Let's get baking. Make sure to add a couple inches of water in the pots. Turn it to medium-high. And also the other one. Now we have to wait until it's hot. See you in a few minutes. See you then. It took about 7 minutes to get hot and start simmering. And now it's time to turn them off. Turn all the elements off. And also make sure that you have special oven gloves or you have oven mitts. Put one bowl into a pot and then put another bowl into the other pot. And try to be as careful as you can. Take a spoon and stir it until it melts for each bowl. And make sure to be very, very careful. Ooh, take a look, it's melting. And even the chocolate one too. The chocolate's melting, yay! It's already starting to melt, and good. And occasionally switch sides. I bet it's going to be tasty. Look, it's already melted and really good looking. That took about 10 minutes. Now that they're melted, I'm going to go over to the counter and bring it there. See you there. And be very careful. And now it's time to dip the strawberries. Take them from the green and then dip it. And you can even make a pattern. And when they're done, make sure to just sprinkle a little bit of the parts that are falling off. And then put them on. Time for the next one. Doesn't it look good? It's good to eat. Look, I'm even making a pattern so far. And then keep dipping and dipping and dipping and dipping and dipping and dipping. Don't they look tasty? And now it's decorating time. Look, I've already started to decorate some. Don't they look so delicious? You can use a spoon or a fork, but in my idea, I'd say probably use a fork. The spoon's more globby, and it's way more easier. Doesn't it look beautiful? Decorate the white chocolate with the dark chocolate and the white chocolate with the dark chocolate. You can do any type of design. They're looking good so far. Don't they just look delicious? They're almost ready. It's a different way. Don't they all look delicious and beautiful? Now we have to put it in the fridge for half an hour. See you in half an hour for a taste test. Bye for now. And now it's time for the taste test. I'm so excited. Here are the things you can use it for. Someone special, your father, your mother, for Father's Day and Mother's Day, or just for a good dessert. It's really good. That's amazing. So good. Both flavors are so good. This would also be good for Valentine's Day. So much things you can do it for. It is amazing. Perfect. Try it. It's amazing. You'll love it. Oh, if you like this video, please subscribe and please press the like button. Thank you for watching Viggo's Kitchen. Bye for now.
Bye.